Okay, I'm back working on this exhaust leak on the Ford Windstar minivan. Thought I would show you something here. So that section of the exhaust is it's made to flex a little bit there, and it's got this accordion style metal under this mesh here. There's, maybe you can kind of see it, an accordion style thing, and I think it's come apart right there. And that's where the sound is. It started this about a week ago. When I started it up, I could tell right away that it was louder than normal, and I jacked it up and got under here, and started it up, and it seems like that's where it's coming from. And so what I did the other day was I hooked up a shop vac to blow in. I put it in the end of the exhaust pipe there, and just blew in here, and you could hear air coming out of here, out of there. So I'm pretty sure that's where the issue is. I'm going to start up the van here in just a second so you can hear the sound. If you have an exhaust leak, I recommend watching like Chris Fix's videos on how to find that, and he'll tell you how to fix it as well. For me, it looks like if I can't fix this thing, I'll have to just buy the part or whatever. I did try to get these bolts off, or the nuts, and they're on there pretty good. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do about that, whether I want to try to heat them up, or I'm a little bit concerned about doing damage on the other sections of the exhaust too. So I'm gonna kind of think it through. I'm not in a big rush. I don't have to have this fixed anytime soon, really. I've got other vehicles, so that's okay. So let me start this up, and then I'll take it back down there, and hopefully you'll be able to hear what's going on. I don't know if you can hear that right now, but it sounds rough. That's where I think the problem is. All right, so I'll get back to you.